Hello, my dear friends. Today I want to show you how to make a beautiful balloon elephant. I place the 5-inch red balloons inside a 12-inch grey balloons. Each red balloon is inflated with 3 pumps. Please take a look at how I arrange the red balloons inside the grey balloon. Then I put pink 12-inch balloon inside grey balloon and inflate it with 14 pumps. It will be a body for an elephant. Then I put balloon for modeling, size to 160, inside pink 12-inch balloon. First of all inflate 12-inch pin balloon, then I am inflate balloon for mothering, with 4 pumps. Now I put 5-inch pink balloon inside 12-inch pink balloon, inflate it with 3 pumps, tie it, and shape elephant ears. You need 2 identical elements. Now I'm making an elephant's head and trunk. I will show you how to make an elephant's hand using a transparent balloon for demonstration purposes. I put 12-inch grey balloon inside 12-inch transparent balloon and inflate both balloons with 20 pumps. Then I tie only grey balloon. I fold a pink balloon from modelling in half and cut off. I'm making a knot out of one piece. I place this knot between the transparent and grey balloons. I place this knot in the place that will connect the head to the body. Then I grab this knot, twist it a few times, and wrap it with a balloon for modelling. The length is about 12 centimeters. Then I pull out the neck of the grey balloon, tie the balloon for modelling with the neck of the grey balloon, cut off the excess part. Then I stretch the neck of the transparent balloon. My husband helps me. He holds the balloon firmly, and I inflate the balloon for modelling. Please look, I'm holding both balloons firmly by their necks. Now I'm trying to do the same thing, but without any help. Tie only the balloon for modelling. Here is the same head, but made without using a transparent balloon. Inflate to pink 5-inch balloons, twist each balloon in half, and make a small cluster. Tie head with the body, place pink cluster between the head and body. I use a glue gun to attach the ears. You can use glue dots. I'm making a tulip twist out of the balloon for modelling. Size 160, this will be the tail. The tail is 15 centimeters long. Your cute elephant is ready. Thank you for watching us.